In this episode of Mods by Brandon, we're going to remove the turbo from the Saab. I think for the time being I'm just going to get rid of the airbox. I usually normally use a Torx, but the looks like they've been rammed off previously. Get an air filter or something. Just down here is just like a little clip. Relatively clean. It's not too bad. Now the airbox is removed, I'm now going to head onto the manifold cover. I should really lubricate up the nut first, but chances are I'm not going to put this back on again. I'll probably heat wrap the manifold. So I'm half expecting it to snap. All the bolt is removed. Luckily it didn't snap. Should just get one clip. Should just put it straight out. Revealing access to the turbo and the manifold. Bye bye. At some point I'll be looking at taking the rocker cover off and getting that sanded down and get it repainted. Looks like I've had a bit of a nasty leak down here as well from the power steering pump. As you can see, it's all over, all down there. So I could do it sorting out at some point. Maybe just tricking like that pipe there. I have just noticed now one of the vacuum hoses, as you can see if I follow it on, from there to there, has popped out of where it should have been. So, don't think that's the issue today, but it will certainly have helped with performance. Currently trying to get to the 13mm bolts, but look like they're a bit rounded off, so it looks like I have to put a 12mm socket on there and smash them on, but there ain't much space at the moment with the air intake pipe, so I'm just going to start reducing it, taking that off. Currently on with taking off the pipes eventually. If you ever see that I've managed to put screws back in where they came from, that's mostly because I have a tendency of losing parts or misplacing them or putting the wrong bolts in the wrong place. So I have noticed in the pipe here, the return pipe, there is quite a lot of oil. Don't know if that's normal. Could give you some, I'm not showing it much at the moment, but you can see it's quite oily in there. So I'm just going to carry on taking this pipe off. Just to cut the snip that off of there. Loosen up this connector. And then I have managed to find myself some WD-40. So I'm just going to spray these down here. Hopefully that'll help loosen up. Can't get to the bottom at the moment, but once I get down to there I'll loosen it up as well, and then hopefully I can get my hand in there and break them off. Made a progress now. I've just loosened up the bolts for the exhaust. Just got to crack on with the exhaust manifold. Just taking the bolts out of the nuts out of the manifold to the turbo. So I'm just going to start now on taking these off. In order to remove the bolt at the bottom of the exhaust, I can't currently get to it at the moment because the fan's in the way. You need to remove two 8mm bolts, which are there. I have already removed them. And then just to get this out, and there's a plug there, that's where you need to unplug it as well. And I'm just going to wriggle it out now. Better get this out. Remove the radiator fan now, which gives me all of my access to this bolt under here. You would normally be able to jack the vehicle up, but as you can see, I've got my car on some gravel and I don't have no paving stones or anything to hand at the moment, so unfortunately I can't get under the vehicle to jack it up. It's not wise trying to jack your car up on this terrain. So I'm going to get ahead to try to get this bolt off now. So the catalytic converter bracket is now removed, as you can see. It's all nice and loose now. Just remove this bolt, but there was obviously like a little washer on there, so I had to make sure I get that. Get a replacement because it's lost down there, so find it, but it's probably best we start new ones. I'm just going to remove the intake pipe now, so remove this, and then the intercooler pipe down here. I've already removed the bolt from the bracket, 30mm bolt, so once all this is off, that's off down there. We should be, obviously there's oil lines as well, which I can't currently get to at the moment, but once I can get to them, then obviously I'll remove them as well. Taking off the coolant feed, as you can see, that's now dripping into the dripper tray. Really very loose at this point. Just got one more pipe to take off, which is the oil feed. Turns out we found this problem. As you can see, the bearings have gone, causing all seals to fail, and therefore the turbo will need to be rebuilt or replaced for a big ass turbo. Thank you for watching Mods by Brandon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us on Mods by Brandon on Facebook and Instagram. And next week we will be looking at breaking down the turbo, seeing what if it potentially can be repaired, and if not, we'll look at buying a new one. If it can be rebuilt, we'll probably rebuild it. So yeah, don't forget to tune in next week, and thanks for watching.